Alright, so today's project is we're going to be excavating out a section of dirt here so we can put the swing set on a level surface. This is probably the first major excavation job we've done with our excavator, so I'm kind of excited to see what we can do with it. We have the 18-inch bucket on it. We're going to really move some dirt for you guys that really move dirt. But we're going to take all this area out and we're just going to slope all the sides back down. That way we don't have to have a retaining wall for this project. It'll cut on cost, and there's a lot of dirt going out, so we should be able to make it look nice when we're all done. So let's go get some work done and let's see how it turns out. Guess what? Well, this isn't mine. We paid somebody with the big guns, with a Bobcat 770, man, that thing could move some dirt. And let's go check it out. We got them to move all this dirt for us. He had a dump truck and a skid steer, and it found it was cheaper for him to come move the dirt than me. So let's go look. He did this in, he took one load out yesterday and two out this morning. So I think a total of 6 hours worth of run time, and that includes drive time. So check this out. We had about 60 yards piled up here, and he took all that out in 6 hours. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So we're going to finish sloping. We're going to cut these edges down and make it look nice. And then this part will be done. We've got a little paver patio to do right there, some river stone. So we'll be done with this job probably in 2 or 3 more days. So I want to talk about comparison. I was going to rent a F550 from a local rental yard, and it was going to cost me around $850 to rent that for 3 days to take all the dirt out. And depending on run time, I might have lost out. I might have had to rent it for 1 more day. So for the money and time, I'm going to have to clean up this area right here where he tore it up going in and out with his bigger Bobcat. But as far as bang for my buck and time, I paid him $820, I think, for 3 loads, and it's 6 hours. So I saved a lot of time, a lot of energy, and the job's going to get done sooner than I planned, which is always good for me and the customer. So let's get back to work. Let's finish this up. Alright, so we've got the majority of our patio laid. This is our 4th day on this job. We're really knocking it out. All of our dirt got moved really quick. I guess you already know that. We got some river stone to do. We're going to finish up this patio and seed and straw everything. Nice cool weather grass. We're going to put out some rye. It should pop up here probably in another week or so. So I'm going to do a little drain to catch water in front of that patio. And that's about the only thing time consuming. I should have done it first, but I didn't think about it until after I graded out towards it. So I hate working around myself twice. Let's start moving some river stone.